Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of grammar for the students of class 6th. My dear students, today we are going to start with chapter number 21, that is degrees of comparison, adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs can have three forms that indicate the comparison of quantity or quality they represent. Look at the following examples. So, adjective and adverbs can have three forms that indicate that can be used for the comparison of quality or quantity which they want to represent. So, look at the following examples. Adjectives are soft, that is the base form, the comparative form is softer, and the superlative form is softest. The second one is strong. Strong, stronger, strongest. Good, better, best. Careful, more careful, most careful. Fast, faster, fastest. Let's see the adverbs now. Strongly, more strongly, most strongly. Soon, sooner, soonest. The base form does not make any comparison, that is soft, good, and careful. The comparative form compares two people, objects, place, or actions. So, the comparative form is used when there is a comparison between two things, persons, objects, etc. The superlative form compares more than two people, object, places, actions, etc. The superlative form is used when comparison is to be done between more than two things. Now let's see the comparison of adjectives. The comparative and the superlative forms of most adjectives are formed by adding the suffixes er and est to the base form. So when we are comparing the adjectives, in most of the adjectives, in order to make them comparative and superlative form, er and est is to be added to the base form. Er and est will be added as the suffixes to them. Now let's see here the base form. Thick, thicker, thickest. Wide, wider, widest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Hence, we saw that by adding er or est to the base form, the comparative and the superlative form of the adjective is done. The first one is, let's see the first rule. A single consonant at the end of some word is doubled in the comparative and the superlative form. So here we are talking about consonants. You know, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and rest of the letters in A to Z are considered as consonants. So here, when there is a single consonant at the end of some word, it is doubled in the comparative and the superlative form. Hence, the comparison is to be made. In order to make the comparison, when there is only a single consonant, always double it. Big, bigger, biggest. Sad, sadder, saddest. So here see, the last word is G. So in comparative form, we doubled it. Bigger, bigger and biggest. Sad, here the last consonant is D. So sad, sadder, saddest. Let's see the second one. In the base form, base words ending in the consonant followed by Y, the Y changes to I before ER and EST. So here, when the base form of the word is the consonant Y, so whenever the word is ending with with Y, it is always changed to I, and ER and EST is to be added. Angry, angrier, angriest. Here you can see in angry the word ends with consonant Y. So angry, Y is changed to I. Angrier and angriest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. If the base words ends with a silent E, this E is dropped by adding ER and EST. So when the word is, when the base form of the word is ending with the e, which is silent in that word, then always drop the e before adding er and est. That means remove that e before adding er and est. So here see, true, tru. Here e is silent, therefore truer, truest, pure, purer, purest. The same rule applies to the base words ending with double e. So here let's see, free, freer, freest. So here the last e is removed. That means it is dropped, and er and est is to be added. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. We'll further continue this chapter in the very next class. Thank you.